Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can fix Instagram widescreen. For example, if you open your Instagram and you see all the widescreen and nothing to show on Instagram, then I will tell you how you can fix this error. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open the Play Store. After you have opened the Play Store, you have to search for the Instagram and you have to check whether it is updated or not. If it is not updated, then you have to update your Instagram app, as many problems are solved by just updating your Instagram app. So we will update it later. Now we will move toward the next trick that can help you in this regard. What you have to do, you have to press and hold the Instagram app. After that, you can uninstall your Instagram app and you can reinstall your Instagram app and check whether the problem has solved or not. And the third trick is, as you have to open your settings from your mobile setting. In settings, you have to go to apps and search for the Instagram app. After scrolling down, you can easily find your Instagram app. As you can see, here is the Instagram app. What you have to do is you have to clear the cache of your Instagram app. You can also clear the data of your Instagram app if you have remembered your password. If you do not remember your password, then I will not recommend you to do that. After that, you can also try the fourth trick, which is, as you have to open any browser or Google Chrome and you have to search for Instagram. As you can see, I will try to log in to Instagram from my Chrome browser. After I have logged in to my Instagram account on Chrome browser, then there is a trick from this method, which is, as you have to click on profile. After that, you have to search for report a problem, which is in the settings. As you can see, you can scroll down and you can click on report a problem. Here you can briefly explain what the problem is and you can also attach a screenshot of your problem. You can mention your problem to Instagram team in detail so that they can understand it better. In this way, you can solve this problem. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.